Hello everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today we're exploring the 2025 Ford Mustang, a true icon of American muscle that merges old-school power with next-generation technology. As the last domestic V8-powered pony car, the Mustang stays true to its roots while offering a modern driving experience. The new Mustang lineup starts around $33,550 and offers multiple engine options. At the base, a turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine delivers 315 horsepower. But for those craving classic muscle, the 5.0-liter V8 engine is where the fun begins, packing 480 horsepower. The ultimate thrill comes with the Dark Horse Edition, boosting power to 500 horsepower and enhancing performance for serious track enthusiasts. V8 models offer a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic, while the 4-cylinder is paired with an automatic transmission. For 2025, Ford is also celebrating Mustang's 60-year legacy with a limited 60th anniversary edition. This special model includes 20-inch wheels with red aluminum center caps and a digital gauge cluster that mimics the classic 1967 Mustang dashboard, a perfect mix of retro charm and modern technology. The Mustang comes in two styles, fastback coupe and convertible, allowing drivers to choose between a sleek roofline or open-air freedom. You can also enhance handling and performance with the GT Performance Package, which adds 19-inch wheels, Brembo brakes, and a special differential to boost traction and agility. On the performance front, the 2025 Mustang GT impresses, reaching 0 to 60 mph in just 4.2 seconds with the performance exhaust. The Dark Horse edges ahead slightly, hitting 60 mph in 4.1 seconds and completing the quarter mile in 12.5 seconds, making it one of the most thrilling Mustangs to date. The interior is just as exciting, featuring a 12.4-inch customizable digital cluster that lets drivers adjust display settings to their liking. Premium touches include ambient lighting and available leather-trimmed seats for added luxury. And the new remote rev feature lets you rev the engine remotely, giving you a taste of that legendary Mustang roar even before you hit the road. The 2025 Mustang is built for enthusiasts who want performance, style, and nostalgia all in one package. It's a car that respects its past while looking to the future, making it a perfect choice for anyone who loves the thrill of the open road. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.